Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, 10th class. Hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss the types of neurons. Basically, neurons are three types: sensory neurons, interneurons, and motor neuron. First of all, sensory neurons, it basically conducts the sensory information, a nerve impulse from receptor to central nervous system. Okay, we have discussed in coordinated action. First of all, receptors, they receive the stimuli and then the message is sent to the coordinators. Basically, the message which is sent from receptor to coordinator is by sensory neurons. Okay, sensory neurons, basically they have one dendrite and one axon. This is sensory neuron and it is have one axon. This is axon and these are dendrites. So this only have one dendrite and one axon. Okay, next is interneurons. Interneuron, basically it form the brain and spinal cord. They are present inside the coordinators and they receive information from the receptors and then interpret them and then stimulate motor nerve. Actually, interneuron, because they are present in the coordinator and the message which is sent by receptors, then this coordinator, which are maybe brain or spinal cord, in which interneurons are present. These interneurons, they interpret that message and then they stimulate the motor neuron to perform a specific action. Okay, so these interneurons, they are present inside the brain and spinal cord and they receive information and then interpret them and then stimulate motor neurons, and they have many dendrites and axons. This is interneurons. Okay, it have many dendrites, okay, and many axons. Okay, okay, next type is motor neuron. Motor neuron, then the information which is interpreted by the interneuron is then these are carried by the motor neuron to the certain effectors. Okay, so these effectors may be muscles or glands. So motor neuron carry information from interneuron to muscles or gland. They have many dendrites but one axons. Okay, we have discussed motor neuron in detail in our previous lesson. This is motor neuron. Okay, we have discussed its structure and its function in our previous lesson. Okay, so basically neurons are three types: sensory neuron, interneuron, and motor neuron. Okay, next is nerve. Nerve actually is formed by the union of several axons. When many axons they combine, they form a nerve and they are enveloped by, covered by a single layer which is made up of lipid. So nerve is formed by union of several axons and is covered by lipid layer. Okay, on the basically based on the property of axons and what type of axons are present in the nerves. Nerves are classified into three types. They may be sensory nerve, motor nerves, or mixed nerve. Sensory nerves, they contain axons of sensory neurons only. Okay, when only sensory neurons axons they united, there is union of sensory neuron, then they form the sensory nerves. Motor nerves are formed when motor neurons they have a union. Okay, so motor nerves contain the axons of motor neurons only, and mixed neuron contain the axon of both sensory and motor neuron. Okay, so nerves are three types: sensory nerve, motor nerve, and mixed nerve. Okay, so this is nerves type, and there is another information is given in book. What is ganglion? Ganglion basically form when the cell bodies they are present in a group and they are enveloped by a membrane. There are many cell bodies present the form of group and they are covered by a membrane, then they form the ganglion. So this is the definition of ganglion. Okay, learn today's lesson, very carefully learn it, and Allah Hafiz from today.